Imagine a tool that rewires the brain for healthier, positive patterns. The Swish Protocol is just that, a powerful technique that helps clients replace negative, limiting thoughts with empowering beliefs. Curious about how it transforms lives? Let's explore its effectiveness. The Swish Protocol leverages neuroscience principles to override automatic responses and create new neural pathways. By disrupting unhelpful mental triggers, it enables clients to shift focus toward constructive behaviors and possibilities. A simple yet potent way to reframe the mind and increase emotional resilience. Counselors and therapists using this method find it especially impactful in psychotraumatology. It supports clients in releasing deep-seated trauma and tapping into inner strengths. With each session, the protocol builds confidence and fosters lasting personal growth, making it a game changer in healing. Ready to elevate your practice? Start incorporating the Swish Protocol today and witness transformational outcomes for your clients.